Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a fall cat. My cat's been at the pumpkin patch. I've made my cat out of newsprint and white paper, so you can do this at home too. The only other things I used were crayons and scissors and glue, and this is my newsprint fall cat. If you have construction paper at home, you can make a cat that looks like this. This one's just out of construction paper, so I wasn't quite as creative because I didn't draw my background and I didn't draw the texture for my fur. So either cat works for me. I just want you to make a fall cat. Happy creating! Okay, artists, to make your fall cat today out of newsprint, you're gonna wanna look through your newspaper and find a space with a lot of text. I don't really care for having pictures on my cat, so this looks like a good spot to me. When you find it, cut it out. Okay, so now I have my 2 sheets of white paper. One of them will be the background for my cat, and the other one will be my cat's eyes and nose and things like that, and my newsprint. I am gonna be starting on my cat's body. I wanna make sure that it's not too much bigger than the paper I'll be using for the background. So it looks about right. It's not perfect, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. So when you have your newsprint ready, I want you to fold it, and we want to draw on the back side. So this is the back. I don't want this guy's picture on my cat, so it's the back. And now I'm going to be drawing half of my cat. You might need to make some adjustments after you get it cut. So I think that that looks pretty good for the body of my cat. I'm gonna focus now on my cat's eyes, my cat's nose, my cat's fur, and my cat's face. So on this sheet of paper, I drew some cat eyes, and I drew one nose that I didn't like the color, so I drew another one, and now I'm gonna be cutting these things out. So I have these pieces just kind of sitting on my cat. I do not want to glue just yet because I wanna make sure that my cat is nice and furry. Cat's fur kind of grows out from the nose on the face, and then just kind of down on the rest of the body. So I'm gonna be using some darker colored crayons to draw some fur on my cat. Now that I have a base of fur, I'm gonna be gluing on my nose and mouth and drawing the details. So I'm pretty happy with the way this cat looks so far, but my cat is gonna need some fall attire. Maybe a scarf or a hat would look great on a cat. Maybe my cat could be holding something like a pumpkin or a cup of hot cocoa. Whatever it is you think would work for you, that's fine, but you're gonna need to draw it on your plain white paper and cut it out. Okay, so I have my scarf pieces ready and I've got a little pumpkin ready for my cat to be holding something. Before I finish, I'm gonna have to fold my cat back up, and I need to be careful of my nose. So I'm just gonna fold down here and I'm gonna draw my cat's little hands and paws. Now I have my cat and my pumpkin and I'm ready to make my background. I'm gonna sit my cat on my blank sheet of paper so I know how much I need to draw for my background. I'm not gonna draw too much. I'm just gonna be drawing like a fall tree right in this area. I'm gonna move that cat over. A horizon line. Now I'm going to be coloring in those areas that are going to show up after I glue my cat. I will not be coloring right in the very center. There's no reason to. So I'm ready to do that. Since my fall background is ready, I'm gonna be gluing my cat on. There's my fall cat. Happy creating, artists.